Hello students, let us continue chapter 9 rational numbers. Today you are going to learn about comparison of rational numbers. When you compare two positive rational numbers, you have to follow the same method as the fractions. First we will find out the LCM of the denominators of the rational numbers. Then we will convert them into rational number having the same denominator. And then the rational number whose numerator is greater will be greater than the other rational number. That way, easily we can compare two positive rational numbers. And if you have to compare a positive rational number and a negative rational number, children, you know that positive rational numbers are represented on the right side of 0 and negative rational numbers are represented on the left side of the 0. And also you know that on the number line, the number on the right side will be greater than the number on the left side. So always positive rational numbers are greater than the negative rational number. Now we will see how to compare two negative rational numbers. See, to compare two negative rational numbers, compare them ignoring their negative sign and then reverse the order. That means we have to compare the rational number without considering their negative sign. Then we have to reverse the order. For example, for comparing minus 7 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 3, first step we will consider them neglecting the negative sign or without the negative sign. See, by ignoring the negative sign, we get 7 upon 15 and 5 upon 7 upon 5 and 5 upon 3. Now we will find the LCM of 5 and 3. The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now both these rational numbers we will convert into the rational number having the same denominator that is equal to the LCM. For that 7 upon 5 we will multiply by 3 by 3. 7 3s are 21 and 5 3s are 15. We will get 21 upon 15. The same way, we will also convert 5 upon 3. 3 we have to multiply by 5 to get 15, right? So 5 upon 3 we will multiply by 5 upon 5 and we will get 25 upon 15. So instead of 7 upon 5 and 5 upon 3, we got two equal rational number, that is 25 upon 15 and 21 upon 15. See, in both the cases, denominators are same. Now it is easy to compare the numerator. 25 and 21, which is bigger? 25 is bigger. So 25 upon 15 is greater than 21 upon 15. That is in case of positive rational numbers. But we have taken negative rational numbers. And in case of negative rational number, the order will be reversed. That means minus 21 is greater than minus 25. Just to imagine the position of minus 21 and minus 25 on the number line. Always minus 21 comes on the right side of minus 25. And on the number line, the number on the right side will be bigger. So minus 21 upon 15 is greater than minus 25 upon 15. Okay, children? Now, we are going to solve an example. Do 4 by 9 and minus 16 upon 36 represent the same rational number. We have two rational number. They are 4 by 9 and minus 16 upon 36. And both of these are negative rational number. And remember, when we write a negative rational number, always the denominator should be positive. And negative sign we can give in the numerator. And here in 4 by minus 9, the denominator is negative. So that we will multiply it by minus 1 upon minus 1 to give the negative sign to the numerator. When we multiply 4 upon minus 9 by minus 1 upon minus 1, minus 9 into minus 1 become 9 and 4 into minus 1 will become minus 4. That means the negative sign of the denominator will move to the numerator. Understood, children? So 4 upon minus 9 is equal to minus 4 upon 9. Here see, now the denominator is positive. So now we have two rational numbers. They are minus 4 upon 9 and minus 16 upon 36. Now, we consider the denominators. The bigger denominator is 36 and this 36 is a multiple of 9. That way we have to check the bigger denominator is any multiple of the smaller denominator or not. Here 9 is a factor of 36 or we can say 36 is a multiple of 9. So by which number we have to multiply 9 to get 36? 9 4s 36. So I am going to multiply minus 4 upon 9 by 4 upon 4 so that it will become a rational number having the denominator 36. So minus 4 upon 9 into 4 upon 4 gives minus 16 upon 36. See, now we got the second rational number. That means the first rational number, the second rational number is a multiple of the first rational number, or we can say here both the rational numbers are equal to rational number, right? Minus 4 upon 9 is equal to minus 16 upon 36. Both are equal to rational number. That means we can present both the given rational number as the same rational number. Now, rational numbers between two rational numbers. For example, we will find the rational numbers between minus 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 3. Here, it is somewhat like comparing the rational number. First, we will check whether the denominators are positive or not. Both are negative rational number, but in both the cases, the denominators are positive. And if they are negative, if any of the denominator is negative, or if both the denominators are negative, we have to convert them into rational number having the positive rational number by giving the negative sign to the numerator. Here we don't have to do that as both the denominators are positive. Now we will take the LCM of the denominator. LCM is 15. Now we will convert both the rational number into the rational number having the denominator equal to the LCM, right? So minus 3 upon 5 multiplying by 3 by 3, then we will get a minus 9 by 15. Same way, minus 1 upon 3, you have to multiply by 5 upon 5 and you will get a minus 5 upon 15. Now we got two equal to rational numbers of minus 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 3. They are minus 9 upon 15 and minus 5 upon 15. Now we are getting enough rational numbers between them, right? The denominators are same. So which are the rational number or which are the integers coming in between minus 9 and minus 5? They are minus 8, minus 7 and minus 6. Okay, they are the integers. So when we write as the rational number, we can write minus 8 upon 15, minus 7 upon 15 and minus 6 upon 15. Okay, children, we are going to solve an example now. List three rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. And in the previous example, we have taken the rational numbers. But here the integers are given -2 and -1. So first step is to convert the integers into rational numbers. And as rational number, -2 can be written as -2 can be written as -2 by 1. And also -1 can be written as -1 upon 1. So here both the integers we have written as rational numbers having the denominator 1. Now we will compare -2 upon 1 and -1 upon 1. And there is no integer between -2 and -1. So we cannot list down three rational number. So what we have to do? We have to multiply it by any bigger number so that we will get a three rational number or more rational number in between them. If we multiply them by 2, what will be our answers? We will have -4 upon 2 and -2 upon 2. There also between -4 and -2, only one -3 is there. So we cannot take that. Then we will multiply it by 3 by 3 and we will get -6 upon uh, -6 upon 8 and minus 3 upon 3. There also we are getting only two rational number. That means minus, -4 and -3. So we have to multiply them by 4. I am going to multiply them by 4 upon 4. And if we multiply them by 4 upon 4, we will get a -8 upon 4 and -4 upon 4. It means both these rational numbers I multiplied by 4. Both the rational numbers you have to multiply by the same number, that remember. So -8 upon 4 and -4 upon 4 we got. Now we are having enough rational numbers between -8 by 4 and -4 by 4. Which are they? We can take -7 by 4, -6 by 4 and -5 by 4. In between -8 by 4 and -4 by 4. Now we will take the reduced form. The reduced forms are -8 by 4. 4 2s are 8, you know. So we can write it as -2. Then the second one is in the reduced form only. They have no common factors other than 1. Now third, -6 upon 4, we can write as -3 by 2. Both we are dividing by 2. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Common factors are cancelling and we can write it as -3 by 2. And in next one, -4 by -5 by 4. That is also in the reduced form. And last, -4 by 4. 4 and 4 we can cancel, it will become -1. So we have -7 upon 4, -3 upon 2 and -5 upon 4 are the three rational number between -2 and -1. Remember, now I have taken the minimum number by which we have to multiply them to get the three rational numbers in between. But you can multiply them any other number. In textbook, it is multiplied by 5 and shown. Or you can multiply by any other number to get enough rational numbers in between them. If you are multiplying by a bigger number, you will get a more rational number. And here 4 is the minimum number or the least number by which you have to multiply them to get a minimum 3 rational number in between them. Children, okay, we will continue the portion in the next video.